Welcome to Streaming Deluxe. My name is Mr. Orange and welcome to a new video. So in this video I'm going back to the stock market. I will talk about the best gaming stocks out there, and yeah, we will see a little bit the background of the gaming business. So a lot of people, or a lot of you who watch my channel, watch my videos, are mostly, so you know the games, you know a little bit the companies, but you don't know that actually behind the games and the companies there's also the stock market, that you can actually be an owner of those companies. You can buy a stock of them, an equity security, and then you're profiting when for example Activision is making money. Alright guys, so but before we start, yeah, let's jump to our giveaway. So it's going to be a new giveaway here. So I already put the last YouTube video here in, and also a little announcement here in this regard. I'm going to upload some more preview videos in the future, so they will not include a giveaway, but yeah, always check out the thumbnail and the title if there's a thumbnail with a Steam key giveaway. Also, when it is written in the title itself, then you know, okay, this is the video where Mr. Orange is going to make the giveaway about the last video. So please comment this video to participate in the next giveaway. So this is always how it goes. So comment, like, and subscribe. So those are the rules. Alright guys, so what can you win? You can win a Metal Gear Solid 5 Ground Zeroes Europe key, you can or a Doom 3 world key, or a Valhalla Hills world key, or an Agony world key. So you choose which one of those keys you want. The winner will choose, and yeah, just write me an email. So you find the email address on my channel, and then you get this game. So let's go for it. So get YouTube comments, 24 comments, and we start. And the winner is Rexor. Nice, I'll add it to my wish list. Yeah, it's the last video. It's about that over $10,000 game on Steam, this special eye simulation game. So yeah, Rexor, write me an email and choose one of the games that I just mentioned. So guys, let's go back to the video. So we are going to talk about gaming stocks, about stocks in general. As you can see here, my friend, so this is the Nasdaq Composite. That's like the index for technology stocks overall. Yeah, before I continue here, so I'm not a financial advisor, guys, so everything I say here is just for entertainment purposes. So please do not buy any of the stocks I'm talking about here without doing your research and taking your own decisions. So I'm not responsible for you buying a stock, losing money in a stock, etc. So very important to keep this underlined in your mind. So also, maybe before I continue, I think it's important to have this mix between gaming stocks, or between having the gaming industry and gamers. So this is a little bit the background I want to talk in my channel. So I hope you enjoy this. So my channel is not a pure let's play gaming channel, of course, so I mix different formats here. So this is the Nasdaq Composite, my friends. So we are actually trading the 27th of July. We're still trading. The Nasdaq is today nicely up again, 0.86% right now. So it was dropping a little bit. I mean, nothing bad guys. So we have a big earnings week this week actually. So a big earnings week. A lot of companies will present their earnings. So I mean, since the last drop in March, I mean, look at this, guys. The Nasdaq was really going rogue here. I mean, it came so badly bad, so it's amazing. Let's jump directly to the stocks. So the first stock, so disclaimer also, I'm invested in Activision Blizzard. So I bought it like around here. So I made already a nice amount of money of it. So Moody affirms Activision Blizzard's AA1 senior unsecured rating, so that's a good rating, I think. So I'm not a total expert when it comes to the debt ratings, but I think that's a good rating. So there's improvement credit medics. So yeah, Activision Blizzard. So I'm a big fan of Activision Blizzard. I love Call of Duty, Modern Warfare. I think also that the Call of Duty mobile version is going really well. So Activision Blizzard really managed to come back nicely. They had some issues so in 2018, but for me it's definitely a stock I'm staying in. The question is, can we jump over here? Can we jump over the last all-time high of $83.19? So at the moment we're still a little bit rubbing there. So we're not getting over it, but it goes slowly. So there's some resistance line. I hope we can jump over this. So, but definitely a good EPS, a good the PE ratio, the price. Earnings ratio is not all good, of course, but I like it because it's one of the biggest gaming company stocks. So overall, personally, I think it's a if there's a gaming company I want to be invested directly, then it's definitely Activision. Then another one is Nintendo. So Nintendo, let's see where it is. So today 1.56% up. It's over the counter traded, so it's traded in Japan at the Tokyo Stock Exchange. So also, I mean, we have all-time high. We have an all-time high with Nintendo, guys. So I mean, you can't say anything. No, not all-time high here. So all-time high was in 2008. So so in the recent history, actually, we're really high. So I was here always saying, yeah, I don't know if I would go into Nintendo, but when I look at this, so you could have made like 20%. Oops. So you could have made like 20%, but yeah, it's a good question. So I personally, I'm not considering to get myself into Nintendo. Then the next one is Electronic Arts. So Electronic Arts is the enfant terrible of the gaming companies. They get so much hate, but they actually make not too bad games. So I kind of like their games. Not all of them. I'm not a FIFA or one of those sports games player, but they actually. Yeah, they're trading very well. I mean, look at this comeback. I mean, it's also in comparison to Activision, it's almost the same. So you couldn't do anything wrong getting into Activision when they were dropping also in March. So they definitely also came nicely back. So, but I'm also not considering to buy Activision Blizzard. Electronic Arts, what I'm saying, guys. Take-Two Interactive. I have to say, it's pretty amazing. It's pretty amazing what's going on with Take-Two Interactive. So, wow, new all-time high, 158. I mean, I always thought like it's crazy how they went up from here in 2015 from $28 to $238.9. So and now they even jumped over the resistance line, the above resistance line. So it's pretty amazing. I mean, it's actually scary. It's actually scary where they're going. Wow, absolutely scary, guys. Yeah, what shall I say? What next game do they have? Yeah, new GTA. If they would bring out the announcement of a GTA 6, wow, or Red Dead Redemption 3 or something like this, they would like go crazy up. I don't understand why they're profiting so much, but yeah, they have a cash cow, Red Dead Redemption, and GTA is running very well. Then Ubisoft is actually a sad example, and considering their last announcement of Assassin's Creed Valhalla and Watch Dogs Legion, so it was not really convincing a lot of critics. My friends. So I have to say Ubisoft could definitely do better, but here they're not doing good. They're not doing good here. It's kind of sad. So yeah, trading a bit sideways. So I don't see for them actually now in the next month a big improvement. So the games they were announcing, I don't see them to have the same quality as the other previous games. In 2018 they really had a nice run, but since then it just goes down, So then we have Capcom. My goodness, guys, Capcom also in this crisis. Look at this, dudes. Look at this, dude. I mean, this was higher. This was, where is it? So 2020, yeah, this is March 2020, falling a little bit, so to $12.50, and then going like berserker, Berserker is actually, I think, a Capcom game, saying no pun intended. Going berserker up. Wow, simply amazing what's going on there. I'm not invested in it, kind of sad. So another company is CD Projekt, so we're all waiting for Cyberpunk, of course, 2077. So that's the whole point. So here it's in Polish zloty at the Polish stock exchange. And I have to admit, why is everything in German? So maybe because my computer is in German. So yeah, they also dropped actually nicely also in March with the little crash, and since then almost 80, 60, 70% up, something like this. So Cyberpunk, the question is, what happens when Cyberpunk comes out and Cyberpunk is not as good as people expect it to be? Then it's a bet. In my personal opinion, it's a very risky bet to buy a CD Projekt Red now. It's a very risky bet, so I wouldn't do it. So I mean, I say this since 2018. I say it, but and then it doubled since then. But risky bet. Zynga. I mean, talking about gaming stocks, one company has to be there, even if most of us PC gamers or console gamers do not really have anything to do with Zynga. But Zynga as a stock, as a gaming stock with the mobile gaming trend going on, is really nasty. Look at this. I mean, wow. It's amazing. So would I now get into Zynga? I have no idea, my guys. So I have no idea, guys. So then another stock. So yeah, disclaimer, I'm invested. So Tencent Holdings. So they really had their little downtime in 2018 with some problems with new licenses for games in Asia, in China mostly. And then also the trade war was a problem, but since then they actually came nicely back. And I mean, what we've seen in the recent months, recent weeks actually, was also they go like crazy up. Now they're staying a little bit here, so I hope it continues a bit. But on the other hand, we have to take care that it's not going to be parabolic, of course, because if it would go parabolic, yeah, my God. Then it also comes, then I see also downturn of like 30-40%. So a stock to watch. So would I buy into it now? I wouldn't do it. I think I wouldn't do it. So, but I'm a happy owner and nicely in the plus for now. Then another stock that I sold with a 92% winning. Gains, sorry, with a 92% gains. I sold Nvidia Corporation. Definitely I sold it here at 290 something. I mean, yeah, dudes, I missed like $100 more on it, so also goes crazy. But that's a stock I would hold, and I would still hold it if I still have it. But at this time I was selling it. So I was selling it here around there, and then it was dropping in March, and I was not rebuying it, so obviously, but that's an amazingly good stock, so I love it. Then another stock that I have is Microsoft also. I mean, you can't go wrong with Microsoft. Xbox is coming out, technical events. Okay, some information there. So Microsoft stock I own, also I'm nicely up, so definitely a good stock. I really like it, so you can't do anything wrong with Microsoft in my personal opinion. It's one of the big players, so I don't expect Microsoft being a problem in my portfolio in the next time. So, and it doesn't even rely on the Xbox Series X next console or on any game, so that's the important aspect of it. And then we have a new entry in the series. It's 11-Bit Studios. They make games like Frostpunk, War of Mine. Yeah, I think the stock has been a little bit too much hyped now recently. So it's now here. I think that's the euro price, and in Frankfurt. It's also a Polish company. It's made by old developers from CD Projekt Red, I think, that went independent. So I think they're kind of too much hyped. So, but that's my personal opinion. So I mean, can they go up? Yeah, of course they can go up. Would I buy them now? No, I wouldn't buy them now. So. Then another stock, when we talk about gaming and the PlayStation 5 is coming out, guys, the PlayStation 5 is coming out, then I talk about Sony Corporation. So nicely up, dudes, what's going on? I mean, Sony, wow, respect for this. I mean, coming from November 2012 from $12 going up to $80 around this again, and now the PlayStation 5 comes out. Pretty impressive. So that's it, guys. So Rexer, please write me an email to get your key. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. It's a bit longer, this video, but just to make the tour de table of the different gaming company stocks. So unfortunately I don't have the time to go too much in depth, but I hope you enjoyed this for every person out there that has like no idea about stocks. So maybe this gives you some new ideas. It's broadening your horizon, and for all the stock owners. So of course, just see it, or for the traders out there, see it as a gamer talking about gaming stocks. All right, guys, thank you very much for watching. See you the next time. Bye bye.